Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, after months of mayhem and cries for more security personnel in Clarendon and St. Catherine, the state has responded. Prime Minister Andrew Holness declared states of public emergency in both parishes, bringing to 5 the number of areas now under the security measure. We'll have reactions from citizens later, but first, TVJ's Herman Green has the announcement.
Murders, shootings, armed robberies. For years, the lawlessness in Clarendon had residents, business operators, and even the opposition calling for stronger security measures. Then on Thursday, flanked by the security minister, the head of the JCF and the JDF, the Prime Minister announced a state of emergency for that and a neighboring parish.
That is to say, the entire area comprising the parishes of Clarendon and St. Catherine.
The measure will see an increased number of security personnel to include security checkpoints and searches. The Prime Minister says the announcement should not have been a surprise, as crime in Clarendon had been on the security forces' radar for some time. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson confirmed this, pointing out that the murder statistics, driven mainly by gang feuds, had reached crisis levels.
Already, since the start of 2019, the Clarendon Division has recorded the second highest number of murders at 100. The St. Catherine South Police Division has seen an increase in murders of 50% over last year's number to currently sit at 91 murders since the beginning of the year. St. Catherine North Division, while experiencing a reduction of 14% over last year, still has had 66 murders this year so far.
He says the decision to declare an SOE in these parishes follows successful reduction in murders in other areas where it had been implemented. He listed reductions of 24, 61, 50 and 75% in St. James, Westmoreland, Hanover and the St. Andrews South Police Division respectively, since SOEs were declared in those areas.
There may be some traffic delays and inconvenience, but we ask for your patience and understanding. The public can assist by contacting Crime Stop, which as always is completely confidential, by complying with the security officers at checkpoints, by adhering to curfew guidelines, and by notifying us at the JCF of any breaches of professional conduct by our own members.
This proclamation of a state of public emergency shall remain in force unless revoked for a period of 14 days or for such longer periods, not exceeding 3 months, as both houses of Parliament may determine.
Herman Green, TVJ News.